2020 Jean. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, how you doing? Today I want to show you guys how I got this cute bang wig. It's actually a frontal that I installed, and then I went ahead and cut some bangs into it. I'm going through a whole quarter life crisis and I've been obsessed with switching it up, so today this is what we're doing, and it's super cute and kind of spicy. I actually love her. It's giving very Daphne, but the color is perfect, and the wig came this color, which is like even better. This is the orange color lace frontal wig from lushwigs.com. They are sponsoring today's video. Shout out to them. I ordered the wig in a length 24-inch, and it's like a curly texture to begin with, but I actually already styled the hair before we went ahead and put the wig on. To prep the unit, I went ahead and I bleached the knots, and then I deep conditioned everything just to make sure that, you know, the hair was nice and moisturized before we styled it. So after I deep conditioned it, I like to pluck my units while it's still wet. So I plucked the hairline just a little bit. Honestly, the hairline on this wig came pretty nice. And to dry the unit, I sat it under my hooded dryer and let the lace dry, and then I went through my actual hand blow dryer and blow dried out the rest of the hair. And I flat ironed the hair because I knew I wanted to wear it straight. It flat ironed super easy, like a dream, which was perfect. And then she was ready to go ahead and put on. So if you want to see how I installed this unit and cut it and everything, then let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I had to bring y'all to the bathroom because it has been a minute, okay? Since I installed a wig on myself, and I need to be able to see. I need me in the mirror to be right here because I'm low-key nervous. The wig looks so good, I don't want to mess it up with the install. So she has been washed, conditioned, flat ironed. I got the hairline looking nice. She is ready to go. She is wrecked to go. Like, what do I even do next? Like, I'm kind of stressed out. Oh, so I've already cleaned up my hairline with some alcohol, and I've already put my stocking cap on. Ain't nothing to do but install her. I want it to last for at least a couple days because I have a meeting tonight and I want to take some pictures tomorrow. So I'm gonna use the Bold Hold Extreme Cream to install her. Girl, I am nervous. Y'all don't understand because I really think that wig looks pretty, and I do not want to mess this install up. But I miss wearing wigs. I really want to try like a fun color, and even with locks, like unless I make a lock wig, my roots will still be black, and I really want to go for like a full-blown color. I'm going through a quarter life crisis, clearly, and yeah, I needed something. I needed like a little change. I wanted to have some fun with my hair, so we'll see how this turns out. It's time to go ahead and install her. If I'm looking over here, it's because I can see like the mirror better there. But yeah. And I have a super low hairline, so I'm trying to keep the glue like right on the bald cap so that I don't have to cut off too much of the wig to fit my hairline. And I plan on wearing it in bangs, so I'm not too pressed about the sides. Y'all know normally like I be going in about my sideburns, but with this wig, honestly, I don't really care. All right, it's the moment of truth. I have to go, so I was only able to keep my scarf on for like 10 minutes. Normally I would keep it on like for at least an hour or something. But let's see how we did. I'm just gonna cut the lace off. Try not to cut the baby hairs. I'm trying to get ready and install my wig at the same time. So I'm just gonna use some Got to Be Glued gel. This is a clear one. And I'm gonna just use this to lay my baby hairs. And when I wear a wig, I like to do my baby hairs similar to how I would wear them with my natural hair. So like my hairline still fits my face. I feel like with a new color and the new, you know, whole hairline, it can be a bit much, especially since y'all know I'm used to like my locks and my braids. This is spicy for me, so I don't need to do too much at one time. All right, so I'm gonna leave my edges tied up, and then when I get back from my meeting, I guess I'll just do it tonight. We can go ahead and finish the cut and everything, because I really want to see what it looks like. Because right now I feel like impossible, and I really kind of love it. I actually don't even hate the 80s headband. I just wish my baby hairs could be out, but it's not gonna hold us back. We're gonna do everything we gotta do, and we're gonna be cute, yes. So yeah, I'm gonna be back in a couple hours, and we can go ahead and finish up with the wig. I can't stop touching it. Okay, I'm gonna be back in a couple hours. We're gonna finish up. I just got back from my meeting. I'm gonna have to come back and cut it tomorrow because I am beat, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so it is the next day, and I ended up putting a little bit of makeup in the part, but I'm ready to go ahead and cut the bangs because I refuse to not have bangs with this hair color. Like, that's really what I wanted to do. I slept on it, so it's not straight anymore, so we have to fix that. But first, let's cut this hair. So I kind of want the bangs to kind of like split in the middle, you know, like that kind of like feathery bang type of vibe. So I'm just gonna hot comb the hair forward a bit. So I really want to just kind of part out the hair that falls right before my ears, because that's where I want the bangs to kind of like start to layer out. I literally used to wear bangs in like middle school. If I can find a picture, I'll insert one. I used to wear the like Nicki Minaj bangs with a bun, and you could not tell me nothing, child. You could not tell me a thing. I thought I was too cute. So I'm kind of just parting out this middle section that'll fall like right on my cheekbone. Ignore her. She don't get no camera time today. Ignore her. I like to cut my bangs right here at like the bridge of my nose, because once I curl them, they're gonna be shorter. I don't like those like super short bangs. It's just not for me. So yes, grabbing it. Now on the side, I'm gonna part half of it out. And then I wanna cut a 45-degree angle from the length of the bang. And that's gonna give us that like side layered look. I gotta plug my flat irons in. Oh, girl, this look crazy right now. 45-degree angle. I think I cut this side longer than this side. Okay. I'm just gonna drag the scissors down and kind of blend in the bangs with the longer hair. Okay. Let's see what they look like. Let's see. And I'm not really curling it. I'm just kind of like putting a very slight bend in the hair, so it kind of falls naturally. So we got the bangs cut. They are looking cute. Now we need to take care of the rest of the hair, because like I said, I slept on it. So I'm just gonna throw literally a few little waves in it. just to go for that kind of like beachy, hippie type of vibe. See, I like the curled side better than the straight side. The straight side is cute though. Okay, so this is the final look. I love how it came out. It's perfect. It's giving me that summery vibe. It's also giving very much quarter life crisis because y'all know I'm a lot girl. I have not been wearing wigs like that for a while, but I want to play and I don't want to keep chopping my hair up because my hair is finally growing back. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I cut my hair recently and I need to just leave my hair alone for a while. So I want to play with different wigs and stuff. So if you want to see me do any styles, then comment them down below. I love this hair. Again, thank you to Lush Wig for sponsoring this video. All the details for the wig as well as a link and a coupon code will be down below in the description bar. And if you guys pick it up, definitely tag me on Instagram because I want to see. They have other cute colors too, so pick a color and go, girl. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.